We made it home from SEMA. Praise the Lord, unscathed. And we didn't lose all our money. Under $200 lost.
Roll these dice and see if this thing fires up.
Yeah, let's see if this thing starts up, man. So let's get her out. We're back at the barn. We made it to SEMA. Everything went super slick. We got to do a drivability tune. So we reached out to Mr. Eric Gash, Barely Able Racing, and he's come to bail us out. Tell us a little bit about you, Eric.
Yeah, I've been doing this stuff for probably, gosh, I don't know, 20, 25 years now. I worked over at Haltech Engine Management Systems for 15, 16 years. Been doing a lot of tuning. I do mostly race car stuff, and I do some drag and drive stuff, and I don't do a lot of street car stuff, and I don't do any factory type reflash stuff, but something like this that's equipped with an aftermarket ECU. So from what I understand, it runs and drives, but it just doesn't run real good. It needs some cleaning.
Well, absolutely, yeah. We've not put any real solid miles on this thing yet. Like I said, we made it to SEMA, smooth sailing. The EB guys got us up and running perfect to do the show, but we want to get it to where anyone can get in this car with no hiccups, cruise with no questionability, ready to rock and ready to ride, and you came highly recommended. So we have our sights are set pretty high with your success level.
So it's a built LS, naturally aspirated with a automatic transmission, 4-speed automatic, and this one's got a Holley ECU on it. Is that right?
Holley Terminator Max.
Terminator Max,
I believe.
Control and everything.
Absolutely,
Okay,
yes, sir.
Cool. Well, I've done a bunch of those, so it shouldn't be any problem. So this is an aftermarket electronic fuel injection transmission control system. This particular one's made by Holley. It's called the Holley Terminator X Max. That's the one with the transmission control. It'll control the automatic transmission in this car. So basically, it's an electronic control system, much like what's in all your factory daily driver cars. But this one's completely tunable, using a laptop, using their program, using their software. We'll plug a USB cable into the ECU, and we'll be able to tune everything on the engine, the fuel injection, the ignition. We'll have data logging, and then also have the transmission control as well. So we'll be able to control all the transmission upshifts, downshifts, the firmness, the lockup converter, everything that's in the transmission with that. Pretty straightforward. There's a lot to it, but it's pretty bread and butter stuff. So
we're excited and thankful that he showed up today, and we're going to get into it, man. Let's see what happens. Here we go. There you go. It's a great day to cruise here in Kentucky, people. What you're used to.
How's it feel to you so far?
It feels great, man. I'm telling you, I just got to get used to that steering a little bit. We got all the gauges up and running.
what's your speedo say? 47 miles an hour?
39, 40. Front tires are rubbing still a little bit too. I gotta figure out how to move for that. I don't know if we're gonna go smaller tire, different rim offset. The stance is pretty good. I really wouldn't want to go any higher. Yeah, I'm saying 34 right now.
So the speedo calibration on your gauge is wrong.
Okay.
Our actual speed is 45, 46, 47, 46.
I'm about 10 degrees off.
You're about 10 miles an hour off.
10 miles. Wow.
Yeah, so that they need to whatever your gauge, whatever process you need to change the calibration on your gauge cluster.
Okay.
That needs to be fixed. It's not critical for what I'm doing today.
Gotcha.
Because we are seeing speed correctly, and that's correct based on my GPS here. Yeah, I softened up those the partial throttle shifts. I softened them up just a little bit and brought them in just a little bit sooner, so it just, you know, drives a little better. It's not quite as aggressive. And then we need to go somewhere now and do a little bit of full throttle.
Take a left right here. It's pretty peaceful.
You got somewhere we can go smash on this thing?
Well, I mean, I hope so. I mean, the cops are usually pretty nice in this area. I've got a lot of carpet down there. I think I've probably got some more. I don't know what the drive-by-wire is.
Yeah, that's good.
Oh yeah. All right, we're going to just go to the mat, but I swear we got a lot of carpet down here. Got some smoke coming in too.
I think it's just tire smoke.
Think?
I think the motor's not smoking. It's unless it's just headers or something.
Well, it's all new.
It's not hot. The motor, like the coolant temp's not hot or anything. So
I may peek real quick just to make sure we ain't got nothing laying on a header or anything. I don't have a fire extinguisher, which is my number one. I'm always like, don't leave the shop without a fire extinguisher.
Especially on a new build, yeah.
Dude, and well, like, you know, you're out here. Where are you gonna get some water?
Right there in that pond.
Yeah, there's a big pond over there. Just drive it into the pond. Yeah, feels good.
Doesn't it? It feels great.
Feels good.
For a regular cruising car?
For just a cruiser car, yeah.
I mean, that's all we need. I think if we could...
400 or 500 horsepower, whatever.
I don't even know really exactly what it is, but it's enough to have a good time.
Yep.
And let's keep it between the lines.
Yep. Sounds good.
What do you think about
full throttle shifts were good too. I might run those up just a little bit higher, but other than that, yeah, that's fine.
Okay.
So you got a little more throttle left to go.
It feels like you got a little more.
Woo! There you go. So I'm happy with the upshifts and downshifts. Everything seems to be acting normal. Fuel-wise, everything looks good. Timing, everything looks good. So yeah, that's. I'd like to go back and do another couple of hot starts.
Yeah.
And just make sure that it's going to hot restart, and then yeah, if we need to. I'd say if it was 75% done, you know, if it started and ran when I got here, if that's 75%, now it's 95%.
Yep.
You know, we can peck on it a little bit more some other time after you drive it for a little bit, and then drive for a little bit and decide, you know, look at it and see what, you know, if there's any.
You're thinking turbo, supercharger? You thinking nitrous?
No, I mean, you know, I'm a power junkie, but I wouldn't do anything to it. I just enjoy it. Besides, turbos and nitrous aren't going to be happy on that 4L60 is not going to be happy. You go hang in a supercharger.
That was the first thing the dude said. He said, as long as you stay under 500 horse, this transmission's fine. He said, any more than that, you're tearing it up.
Yep.
That felt great right there. That's exactly what you want.
Yep. That's perfect.
We made it back and smashing success. Even Eric, 95% happy. You know, grown men, 95% happy doesn't happen that much. But yeah, we love it. Almost ready. Got to do a little more suspension tweaking. We got some front tires rubbing, and check back soon. Updates are coming.